Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I hope you subscribe and join my YouTube family because there's new videos every week. And this week we're talking about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I wanted to bring you a bunch of different outfit ideas no matter how you're celebrating the holiday of love. For the first look, we're going from work straight to a night out because I know a lot of you have to go to the office on Valentine's Day, so I want to show you an easy way that you don't have to go home and change. So I started with a red lace dress. I personally like long sleeves because it's still cold during Valentine's Day and there's nothing worse than sitting at a restaurant and you're freezing and you can't enjoy dinner or wine or whatever you're doing for Valentine's Day. So for me, long sleeve is the way to go. And I think the lace is amazing because it shows a little bit of skin. So it's still sexy, but you can be warm. So to make it work for the office, I layered a sweater on top. So this is a little trick I like to do to make the dress look like a skirt because a lace pencil skirt is appropriate for the office. A lace dress that has cleavage, not so much. So I put on one of my favorite cashmere sweaters. And if you use a skinny belt, just belt it at your waist and then blouse it over. And it looks like you're wearing a sweater and a skirt instead of a sweater over a dress. And then it's really easy when you're at the office or maybe when you're in your car. If you don't want to show that much skin at the office, you just take the sweater off, add a little handbag, and you're good to go for dinner. If you have more casual plans for Valentine's Day, let's say you're going to a movie or a casual dinner, or maybe movie and a dinner, my favorite outfit is an off-the-shoulder sweater and skinny jeans. So an off-the-shoulder sweater is really cozy, it's laid back, but it shows a slip of skin. So there's a couple different outfit ideas. You could do an off-the-shoulder sweater that shows both shoulders, or you can do like mine, which just shows one shoulder. So I actually got this sweater 2 sizes too big, so it drapes across my shoulder. I did lavender, you could do pink, you could do red, basically any color that you choose. And then I paired it with a skinny jeans. This is a coated denim, so it has the leather look, but it's more casual than leather pants. And just because you're going casual, it's Valentine's Day, why not throw on a pair of heels? So I just did a little booty to finish it off. Moving on to Galentine's Day. So this is a Valentine's Day with your girlfriends. Think, what would Carrie Bradshaw wear? So for me, this is a tulle skirt. So I went with a crazy Valentine's Day colorful skirt in red and pink, paired it with a tulle sweater because Carrie Bradshaw, you know, could never have enough tulle. And then to make it a little edgy, I did a crossbody bag and booties. Really anything goes for Valentine's Day with your girlfriends. This is your time to have fun with fashion and spread love with your friends. Finally, let's talk about a cozy night in, something really relaxed. So obviously lingerie, that's what goes underneath, but you have to wear something on top, especially if you're leaving the house to go to somewhere for a cozy night in. So I love a sweater set. So a sweater with a little jogger, it's really cozy. I just got this one and I'm gonna live in it like all winter. It's so yummy feeling. And again, we have the off the shoulder, so it shows a little lace bodysuit. You can wear any type of lingerie that you choose underneath, and it's just something really, really comfy to wear while you're watching a movie and cuddling up. But what I love about it is if you have to go somewhere, let's say you need to run a quick errand, or maybe your cozy night in isn't at your home, it's at your boyfriend's, you just throw on a pair of boots and a fuzzy jacket and you can actually leave the house. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Valentine's Day outfit ideas. If you want some more, you can check out a Valentine's Day lookbook I did previously. And you can always see more outfit ideas over on my blog, sydnestyle.com. So make sure to subscribe because I will be back next Thursday with a new video. And happy Valentine's Day. So my friend, next let's talk. I don't have time to go home and change. The air went on. How annoying is that?